Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you ordered an item from Temu and it was great. How do you actually go ahead and leave a review so that you help out the seller? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to click on Orders and Accounts. And then once you've done so, you want to click on this button here that says Your Reviews. So here you'll see a list of items that you can leave a review for. So if you want to leave a review for this item, you just want to go ahead and click on Leave a Review. And then you'll click on Yes, Continue to Review if you received your package. And then from here, you could actually insert photos, videos, also do some quick replies here, such as good quality, highly recommend. And then you can write your own custom review here as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a review on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.